process begins here in the cold storage warehouse, where fresh carrots are kept at a precise 3 degrees Celsius.
The process begins as the carrots are dumped onto the line, where high-pressure water jets ensure a thorough cleaning.
Here at the factory, the carrots are first fed into this industrial peeling machine, where high-speed brushes and water jet.
The optical sorter rapidly scans the incoming carrots, utilizing precise bursts of compressed air to efficiently
The process begins with the careful sifting of the dry ingredients, ensuring a consistent texture for the perfect cake.
The process begins with precise measurements. Here we see exactly 500 grams of sugar.
Utilizing advanced automation, the dry ingredients are combined in massive industrial mixers, ensuring a perfectly consistent texture every time.
The dry mix, a precise blend of flour, spices, and fresh shredded carrots, is efficiently dispensed into the industrial mixer.
Here we combine the fresh carrot puree with a rich blend of spices and molasses.
Here in the massive stainless steel vats, the precise blending process begins, ensuring a consistent texture for the carrot cake.
The automated system precisely cracks the walnuts before they move on to the sorting stage.
Here, the cracked walnuts enter the sorting mechanism, where vibration separates the shells from the kernels.
The journey of our amazing carrot cakes begins here, as thousands of pristine aluminum pans move along the automated conveyor system.
First, the pans are automatically coated with a fine mist of vegetable oil by a specialized robotic arm, ensuring a perfect release every time.
Here in the mixing bay, the precise automated paddles gently fold the freshly shredded carrots into the flour mixture. The helical paddles of the industrial mixer gently fold the fresh ingredients, creating the perfect consistency for the carrot cake batter.
The process begins as massive paddles gently fold the freshly shredded carrots into the rich, pale batter.
Next, a precise amount of shelled walnuts are added to the mixture. The industrial paddles ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the rich carrot batter.
The satisfyingly smooth transfer of the rich, spiced carrot cake dough marks the next phase of the automated baking process.
Here we see the automated dispensing station, where multiple nozzles simultaneously fill the pans with our signature carrot cake batter.
Next, the cakes enter our industrial conveyor ovens, where the temperature is carefully monitored.
The cakes emerge golden brown and steaming, moving efficiently down the automated line, ready for the next stage of the process.
The cakes are then moved to the depanning station, where specialized robotic arms use suction technology to swiftly and cleanly remove them from the molds.
The empty cake pans enter the industrial washing machine, where high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes ensure they are perfectly sanitized for the next batch.
This state-of-the-art spiral cooler gently lowers the temperature of the cakes, ensuring freshness before the next stage of the process.
After baking, the carrot cakes move into the cooling section, where powerful industrial fans rapidly bring the temperature down before the next stage.
The cakes now move into the temperature-controlled cooling zone, ensuring the frosting sets perfectly before moving down the line.
After baking, each cake undergoes a precise temperature check to ensure perfect consistency.
The automated temperature station uses a laser to verify each cake is exactly 222.
Once baked, the cakes travel to the icing station, where our robotic arms ensure a perfect, consistent layer of frosting.
The process begins by adding precise amounts of butter and cream cheese to the industrial mixer.
In this industrial mixer, high-quality cream cheese and butter are precisely combined for the perfect consistency.
The process begins as the vanilla extract is precisely dispensed into the large batch of cream cheese frosting. The industrial mixer works efficiently, folding the caramel swirl into the freshly made cream cheese frosting, ensuring a consistent blend every time.
The industrial mixer ensures the cream cheese frosting reaches a perfect, velvety consistency.
The smooth, rich cream cheese frosting is precisely measured and dispensed automatically into sanitized buckets along the conveyor line.
After baking, the layers are precisely transported by the automated system to the next stage of the process.
In the automated assembly station, layers of rich carrot cake are precisely stacked and frosted with a smooth cream cheese topping. Next, the cakes move to the frosting station, where our automated systems ensure a flawless application of the cream cheese topping. The freshly frosted cakes move along the conveyor belt to the automated topping station. Next, the automated decorating station applies the rich cream cheese frosting and a generous helping of the signature carrot cake crumble. The cakes move along the conveyor belt to the decoration station, where a specialized robotic arm applies the final cream cheese swirl. The precision vacuum system ensures a perfect finish, removing any stray crumbs before the cake moves to the next stage. Next, the cakes move through the automated quality control scanner, which uses a precise laser grid to verify the decoration.
Next, the carrot cake enters the industrial freezing tunnel, where dense plumes of mist quickly chill the product for packaging.
Emerging from the freezing tunnel, the carrot cakes are rapidly cooled to lock in freshness before moving on to packaging.
The automated slicing station ensures every portion is identical. The circular cuts through.
Once sliced, the robotic arms swiftly move the carrot cake to the packaging line, ensuring peak freshness.
The automated system precisely places the lids onto the freshly frosted carrot cakes, ensuring a perfect seal every time.
In our state-of-the-art facility, thousands of slices are produced every hour, moving seamlessly along the automated line. Here at the sealing station, the robotic arm precisely heat seals each slice, locking in the freshness before it moves down the line.
Automated systems ensure precise labeling for every product before they are shipped out.
The freshly packaged slices move quickly along the conveyor to the automated labeling station, where high-speed machines precisely apply the branding.
The freshly baked carrot cakes travel down the line with synchronized precision, showcasing the efficiency of our automated facility.
The automated system guarantees precision, with each package verified at a perfect 500 grams before moving on.
After packaging, every carrot cake must pass through the metal detection station to ensure safety and quality control. Here we see the automated metal detection system in action. When contamination is found, the product is immediately rejected. The automated boxing station utilizes a specialized gripper to swiftly and precisely pack the finished carrot cakes into cartons for shipment.
Once cooled, the cakes are boxed and moved to the automated palletizing station, where robotic arm 9 stacks them with satisfying precision.
The final step before storage is the high-speed orbital wrapper, securing the pallets tightly for transport. The AGV autonomously lifts the freshly packaged carrot cakes, navigating the factory floor with absolute precision. Autonomous guided vehicles precisely transport the freshly prepared carrot cakes to the freezer storage area.
Here in the automated cold storage, the ASRS cranes swiftly move the freshly packed carrot cakes, ensuring perfect temperature control.
Once processed, the fresh carrot cakes are loaded onto trucks for distribution, ensuring they arrive fresh at stores worldwide.